Good day, guys. This is Carfix and DIY. Today's episode, want you to share about on how to replace your air filter on your car. So particularly, this is a Toyota Avanza, a 1.3L engine. So this is the air filter box. This is we're going to replace. So now I just received the parcel from the Ninja Van. So I ordered this one from Shopee. So this is a genuine parts from Toyota. Let's see what inside. So this is how the air filter looks like. For us to be able to replace the air filter, guys, we have to remove the air filter box cover by simply removing all the clips. All sides of the air filter box, then pull it. Right, so as you can see, the old air filter is so has some dirt already. So if we're going to pull it, so this filter would not 100% work perfectly. So it does dust all over the filter. Oh. So it will not filter a good air on your engine. So that is why you have to replace regularly your car air filter. So if we're going to compare it to the new one, so as you can see, there's a big difference between the old filter and the brand new one. So very clean. So this one we cannot clean it anymore since the dirt has already absorbed by the air filter. Huh? I advise you guys, before you insert the new one, the new air filter, you have to clean the surface, all the sides, all the air filter bags. This portion must have to be cleaned, okay, because since the throttle body located, so this is the throttle body, so this one must zip a cleaner air from the air filter gas. So that's the reason why you have to replace a very good and a very clean air filter on your air filter glass. So you have to clean all the dust, even the residues and the dirt on it. You don't need to have a wet microfiber towel. Just have a dry one. Do not use any water or spray while cleaning the air filter packs, to avoid putting some water on the air filter bags. So It's totally clean now, and we're about to install the new air filter. So this portion goes down and this portion goes up, and this is how we're going to install it on the right. So, and that's good to go. Clean the air filter box. Also inside it, inside on it. Sorry. There are some dirts. Bring back this the cover. Okay. All right. So that's it. Then. Okay. This one. All right. And this one. Okay, baby. And yeah. And that's good to go. So guys, we're all done. I hope you do enjoy watching this video and you have some idea to replace your old air filter on your car. So to give you an advice, just check up all the way. Just have it every 6 months or 3 months, checking your air filter, so for you to be able to know what's the condition of your air filter. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please do not subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe my channel, and please do share also this video, and please like this video also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.